Off the Shelf News. Here is your host, Greg.
Thanks, Greg. Chocolate. 9 out of 10 people say they love chocolate. The 10th person, well, he's a liar. He loves it too. Now, it's very important to have a balanced diet. And to have a balanced diet, you need chocolate in it. One in both hands to balance that out. And today, I have found this new product that's been around for a while that encompasses 2 different types of chocolate. Oreos and Cadbury's. What more do you want in your life? Oreos and Cadbury's. But what sort of Oreos and Cadbury's? Well, you want chocolate coated Oreos, preferably with a decent chocolate, and that chocolate today is Cadbury's. And when a balanced diet is important, you need those 2 types of chocolate. And today I am using the cream-filled chocolate coated Oreos here. And I've also got the mint selection here. Now, to me, this just sounds like it could be some of the greatest things that I will ever put in my mouth. And believe me, I've put plenty of things in my mouth before, but we're not going there. And when it comes to chocolate, I've probably eaten an elephant's weight in chocolate. You don't get a body like this from eating celery, that's for sure. Anyway, let's take a look at these new products. The Cadbury Oreos. So these Cadbury Oreos come in a box of 6. 4 for me, 2 for you. That's the way it usually rolls. And if there's 7 people in your family, well, I tell you what, there's about 3 people that will be missing out. Now, when you're thinking of chocolate products, you're probably not thinking about your health, which is a good idea because these Cadbury products contain about 24% fat. Is that the good fat you're saying? Well, it's chocolate. Is chocolate a bad fat? I don't think so. Now, let's look at the ingredients here. First one, sugar. Now that's not very good, is it? Your first ingredient is sugar. There's more sugar than wheat flour in these products. So let's take a first look at these Cadbury coated Oreos. Right. Okay, well here they come in a nice little packet here. 6 packets, I'm hoping. Yes, 6 packets with 2 in each packet. Thank goodness for that. Maybe that family of 7 will get their chocolates after all. Right. I'm very excited, folks. Very excited. So here is the vanilla cream one. Well, looks like the size of a 50-cent piece, doesn't it? At least a 50-cent piece is worth 50 cents. Now these are at room temperature, and the chocolate, well, it's just rubbing off on my fingers, which is good because it's going to be rubbing off somewhere else soon. Let's crack one of these ones in half and take a look inside. That looks amazing. Just looks like the picture on the front of the pack, doesn't it? Wow, that looks nice. Very soft on the fingers though. I don't want to say what that resembles, but if you ran out of toilet paper, I'm guessing that's probably what it would look like. Right, well that's the vanilla one. Let's see what the mint one looks like. Wow, it's in a totally different packaging. Like a real packaging. So, I wonder why these ones didn't come in the really good packaging as well. Off the Shelf News has no idea. But let's take a look inside. Very similar looking. In fact, identical. And I can smell that mint wafting up into my nose already. It's very delicious smelling. Let's snap it. Ooh, well, that is green. And it is a very hot day here. And I tell you what, it is melting quite profusely in my hands. So here we go. We have the vanilla cream one here with the mint. Let's start off with the vanilla cream. Oh. Wow. That is good. That tastes, wow. The vanilla cream one is absolutely delicious. Oh mate, I'm glad there's 12 in a pack because I tell you what, if I was with someone here right now, they wouldn't be getting even one single sniff of one of these things. It is some of the best tasting stuff I've had in a long time. Oh, the crunchiness of that cookie. The vanilla cream inside coated with that delicious Cadbury chocolate. I tell you what, it is amazing. Whew, boy, that's good stuff. I tell you what, this mint one It better lift its game up if it's going to be this one. I don't think it's possible that it could. I'm guessing this mint one would be really good as an after dinner mint or something that you would have as one little snack. But let's find out. Whoa. Super crunchy. The mint is very strong in that one. Ooh-wee. Tell you what, that mint has got a really strong aftertaste. It is really minty in your mouth, and then afterwards, it doesn't get much better either. But this vanilla one, it's just got the perfect amount of Cadbury coating over the top. The cookie's crunchy in the middle, the cream center's delicious. I think I need to open another one because one just ain't enough. Could this be one of the greatest chocolates I've ever eaten? I doubt it. But it would definitely be in my top 20, that's for sure. I've had a lot of chocolate before, and I tell you what. This Cadbury coated vanilla cream, Oreo, chocolate, cookie, chocolate stuff. Oh mate, I'm loving this one. The mint one here, a little bit too minty for me, even though I am a big mint fan. I'd actually prefer it in a mojito than in a cookie. But in saying that, this mint chocolate here would be perfect for Christmas time. It's got a very Christmassy feel, a very Christmassy taste. It's coming up to Christmas. Do yourselves a favour, everyone. Grab yourself one of these. Probably this one I'd be going for next time you see it on special. And I gotta tell you, these things taste good. And I just realised where they're made. They're actually made in Egypt. I gotta give props to the old Egyptians. They're good at building towers of things. They definitely are good at creating a tower of different types of chocolate, one on top of the other. Build it up, make yourself a pyramid, everyone. Go and buy some. Now these retailed at about the $3.80, $4 mark. Of course, I picked them up at below half price. If you do see these at half price or below, I would be snapping them up, no worries. Do yourself a favour, go in and at least buy one of these vanilla cream ones. It tasted so good. They're not too big, so you can like scoff one down and feel satisfied. I know I am, even though I'm going to be scoffing 12 to 16 of them down. Look, all I can say is, if you see these in the shops, give them a go. They're well worth a try. I might give these to my neighbour, because these ones are coming with me. This has been Greg for Off the Shelf News. See you next time.